What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're at the Northridge Mall out in Northridge, California. Yeah, I'm kind of here because I'm kind of digging those PG4 Gatorades, so I kind of want to get them now. They come out this Friday, tomorrow for you guys. It's currently Wednesday, so in a couple of days, but I kind of want them, and I kind of need some info because that's kind of what we need to do when we need to get a secure pair of sneakers and whatnot. So I think they're kind of limited. So yeah, let's go do some research, you guys. Do some research, and I'll look around. A few pairs new sneakers that I haven't seen yet, so we'll look around, you guys. See what's up. All right, here's the Shoe Palace. I actually know that they're actually not getting the PG4 Gatorades, but kind of want to see some of the new stuff. They do get all the new Jordans, so there are a couple of Jordans that I haven't seen, so let's go take a look, you guys. Go take a look. I am sporting some Nike Dunk lows, my $28 Nike Dunk lows. Yeah, let's go see what they got, you guys. Let's go see what's up. Okay, they usually get all the new Jordans, so yeah, let's go take a look, you guys. The only sneaker I haven't seen lately is the reverse He Got Game, so yeah, let's take a look at these, you guys. Take a look at these. I don't know, how do you guys feel? How do you guys feel about these? Apparently the white parts right here, those are all 3M. So actually, let's see if they light up right now.
What about some ones like that?
Okay, you could see the 3M right there. I could see this looking pretty dope at nighttime. Definitely could see that. I kind of wish the upper was 3M because I like that bread 13 look. But yeah, that looks pretty decent, you guys. Looks pretty decent. Let me turn the flash off and let's resume. So yeah, so how do you guys feel about this? It is tumbled leather right here as well as right here, just tumbled buck leather. Yeah, I like that 3M look on the top, to be honest. So like on the breads. And I think the flints are like that as well. I can't wait for the flints to come out. Holy crap, I can't wait for the flints to come out. But yeah. Got the big circle right there. To my knowledge, not all the 13s have circles right there. Got the Jordan right there. They all do have the Jordan. And they got the 13 right there on the back side like all the other ones. Do got the hologram. I do like the black on the bottom. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope. But I'm definitely not going to cop them because I think these are going to come to the outlet. They didn't look like they got that much fanfare. Yeah, I see these going on sale, so hopefully I can cop these when they go on sale. But yeah, the flints, I need to get the flints, and these PGs, so those are what I'm focusing on right now. Let's look around. Let me know what you guys feel about let me know how you guys feel about this one. Let me know how you guys feel. They're right, but just don't know if it's worth paying retail. Let me know what you think. Thanks. Speaking of going to the outlets, these are going for $139, you guys. $139. Dang, these will definitely be at the Nike outlet soon. I do like that the mint color, like the island green. I do like that, but the upper, man, the upper's just not a fan of the upper at all. The FIBA 4s on sale for a whole whopping $10. That's a big size too, though, isn't it? 10.5, 10.5, and yeah, it's not sold out, but yeah, we've seen this for way cheap. Some people have seen these at the outlets. I have not seen them yet. These are a whole whopping $10 off as well. The denim 6s. Yeah, they're all right. Nothing too special though. I was fiending for these for so long. Finally found them at the outlets. Pretty dope. 200 still. Pretty dope though. I found a white one of these at the outlets. I love this shirt. I don't know why I didn't buy more of this. I think that because they only had an extra large. I did buy one and have one in the giveaway, and I did give one out last month. But yeah, we do have more t-shirts coming up, you guys. We do have more t-shirts coming up, so stay tuned for those. All right, let's wrap it up. Let's go move on to the next place, try to get some info regarding these PG4s. All right, there's a Footlocker. Let's see what they're talking about, you guys. See what's up. You guys getting the PGs? Is what's called? The Gatorades?
No, we're not getting them, bro.
Oh, you're not getting them?
Check Hollywood and Highland for sure. They could be getting them.
So they are gonna. Dang. So it looks like the PG4 Gatorades are gonna be pretty tough to get. Dang. So yeah, let's look around, see what they got. Let's see what they got, you guys. We saw these at the outlet a couple days ago. Just one pair though. Like these are brand new, so you're really not going to see these at the outlet too much. I don't know. What do you guys think about these? Kind of a fan, but I think there's a little too much going on for me. A little too much. They got the 0.2s. How are these not on sale? I know this is one of the latest colorways, but that's crazy. The new one's out. This one's not on sale. They got the reverse He Got Games here as well. You know, going for $1.90 as usual. Okay, these are on sale here as well. I don't think they were on sale. I didn't check the price there, did I? Yeah, but $180. $180 if you like these. You know these are going to be on sale everywhere now. It's crazy because these have been on sale at some places. Other sales they haven't. I mean, other places they haven't been on sale. It's been hella interesting. But yeah, the Lakers colorway, they are starting to go on sale at majority places, I guess. $139, $99, not bad, not bad. Like $50 off, right? 50 bucks off. Those of you guys who want some. I guess this is the latest colorway of the Kobe's. The new Kobe's, that's interesting. Okay, I don't know, I'm not really digging this colorway, but I'm sure plenty of you guys like them because they're not bad, just not my style. I am hella surprised they got these because supposedly these were limited. This was the first colorway. The All Bros 1, or back then it was just the All Bros, but surprised these are here, you guys. Surprised these are here. Dang, crazy. Dang, they're coming out with Air Force Ones with all kinds of flavors. Look at this, man. It sure does have a lot going on here. Not bad. Better than the boring all single colorways, I guess. But yeah, I'm definitely not paying retail though. All right, on to the next one. Take care, you guys. On to the next story, guys. On to the next one. Store number 3, champs. Let's see what's up, you guys. See what's up. What's going on, Chief? You guys coming out with the PG4, the Gatorades? You know if you're getting those Friday? Oh, not getting them? No, not getting them? Dang. They don't have those, but they do have a good selection of the Greek Freaks. Look at that. Almost every colorway. This is one of them that I haven't seen. And the material is totally different. This is like a nylon material, like a synthetic nylon material. I did not expect that. I know the other side's a totally different color too. These aren't bad. These aren't bad. I don't know about paying $1.20, but not bad, you guys. Not bad. Totally different from all the other ones. All the other ones are like kind of like a fabric or like a cotton. I think it's actually a synthetic material as well, but it's more of a cotton. Yeah, no, it is a synthetic material, huh? But this is a different synthetic. It's like a total mesh. It's like different if you look at it. It's totally different. Look, yeah. So yeah, so these are totally different. I never noticed. Never noticed, you guys. Dang. And I think it would look cool with the other side being like a different color. I think those would look dope. Those might look dope. Kind of slept on those, man. Not bad. I don't know about retail, but not bad. Dude got the bread colorway of these Soldier 13s. Never really messed with those. Pretty dope though. Got the Lakers colorway right there. We saw these at another store before. I don't remember which one, but not bad. I just don't know about paying $1.40 for all of those, but pretty dope, pretty dope. What do you guys think about these Nike retros? I don't remember what specific shoe, but this is under Nike, not a Jordan. Even though pretty much is a Jordan ripoff. Look at that. That's a Jordan 4 bottom, man. That's a Jordan 4 ripoff. What the hell? The Nike Air on the back. That's totally a Jordan, but I know this is under the Nike umbrella, the Nike Flight or something. Let me know what you guys think. These actually aren't that bad. Aren't too shabby. Not bad, not bad. The materials are pretty whatever though. I think that's the biggest difference. The materials are kind of whatever. Kind of buck leather, but kind of tough. Yeah, kind of interesting. Let me know what you guys think about these. Let me know what you guys think. These are dope, but we've seen these cheaper at the outlets. And then yeah, like I love the Uptempo 95s. I rarely ever see them in the outlets, and I ain't trying to pay $1.60 for those. I don't know about this colorway though. Let me know what you guys think. Kind of like a graffiti colorway, looks like they spray painted on it. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's wrap it up. So check the last spot, you guys. Finish line will be the last spot. There it is, you guys. Our last hope. Our last hope for these PG4s, man. Let's go see what's up. You guys getting the PG4 Gatorades by any chance? PG4 Gatorades.
Let me see.
You guys had them on the website this morning for members only. It releases this Friday. Oh, you got the black ones, but not the Gatorades?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We can get them for you right now if you want.
No, I'm trying to get the Gatorades.
Yeah, we don't have it.
You guys had them online this morning and I missed out. Dang it. All right, thanks for checking though. So it looks like a definite no. They really don't have any deals here either. No deals in the Jordan section. Let's go look around to see if they have anything in the Nike basketball area. No real deals in the Nike basketball area either, man. Looks like it's a bust, you guys. It's a bust. I'm gonna smash out. Don't really see any deals here at all, you guys. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day. Let's wrap this up. I'm gonna have to make some phone calls, see where else they got them available. All right, so it looks like these are gonna be a little tougher than I thought. They were actually available at 7 in the morning on Finish Line for the Finish Line, whatever, exclusive members or something. And I actually did have a chance to pick them up. I didn't think they were going to be exclusive, so I didn't want to wait a week. I wanted to get it like the day of so I can review it with you guys and show you guys like the day of and have a pickup vlog and that type of stuff. But yeah, I guess I should have taken them. But yeah, so we'll see what happens, you guys. I might go to Hollywood and Highland, and I did call Hollywood and Highland Footlocker, and they said they might have them. So we'll see what happens, you guys. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and press that like button, and make sure you subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. Peace. That was definitely a no. That sucks. Dang it. Yeah, too bad it didn't work out. We'll have to see you on Friday. Have to see Friday.